What happens when you take your 300,000 mile Silverado, tow your OMNI all the way across the United States? Whoop! And the trans brakes. You gotta take it out. Put in a new one. What the heck is this? So this is super fun. See this red truck over here? That would be the red truck that doesn't run. And I'll show you why. You see this right in here? We can open that up. You see that? That's a 4L60E transmission. And this one is supposed to be not broken. And that would be completely different than the one that's over there on the truck that broke on the way to the farm. But you know, it made it 2,400 miles and change. It just didn't quite make it the 2,500. But take a look at this thing. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that's all like ability. Goodness, huh? So is this a stage 17? 18. 18. Even better. I just hope it gets me home. Okay, and so it begins. This is what your truck sounds like after the transmission goes out. Listen. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Is that reverse? Is it supposed to be going somewhere? Yeah, it's just slipping. Forward, right? What? Forward, right? Reverse. So forward. Yeah. Yeah, no. It used to make more grinding noises. Yeah, it'll go forward. There's no reverse. A little whining. Rev it up a little bit. Yeah. Bunch of neutrals. Well, at least two now, right? Where the reverse was and where first was? Or where neutral and reverse. Yeah, all right, we're gonna push it out and swap the trans. So it actually does have a forward gear, at least one, just no reverse. Yeah. So maybe we don't have to change the whole transmission, just reverse. Oh yeah, listen to this. That's probably good, right? Okay, you can see we got a cardboard under here. Ugh. Bends up in the front, make it happen. We just got the backside. I just pulled out the drive shaft. You can see. You can kind of see, except it's super dark in here.
I got you, buddy.
Yeah, flashlight, neon light. Wait, what do we got? There we go. Yeah, there it is. So that's gone.
It's a front-wheel drive truck now.
Yeah, it is. All the cool ones are front-wheel drive. It wants to be more like a 2.2.
Yeah, it wants to be.
So now we're going to try to tackle the exhaust. Gonna drain the transfer case fluid. Get that thing.
Probably don't have to, but
yeah, we don't have to. But we don't want to.
If we roll it around,
there's nothing better than trans fluid draining into your ear. It's like
armpit fluid.
Oh yeah, that's all good. Okay, let's see how much in the splash zone I am. I'm getting scared. Oh yeah, that's pretty dark. I don't think fluid's supposed to be like that.
It's got 8,000 billion miles on it.
How many? Where did it go? To the sun?
8,000. I think you did. It's in California. It's like the sun. Watch, it's gonna hit this, and then my light's gonna.
No, I'm gonna stop it from doing that by tricking it. Yeah. It's science.
It's kind of dark. That's the transfer case. I made to use an oil in there, not a trans fluid.
You think so?
Give it a taste.
Give it a smell.
Lick it, lick it.
No, it's got a.
It's got a twang to it.
It literally does. That's a new smell for me.
That's the barbecue sauce.
does smell. It actually smells and looks like it's A1 sauce.
A1's good stuff.
This is a good vintage. California vintage.
California love. A1's good stuff. Alright, dropping the exhaust. The exhaust. So you got this side. This side's fighting us a little bit. I don't know who put those on, but they're all the way on. Got the 1/2 inch. Impacting that thing off. Oh, you're coming off. Got that off. Trying to take off this fancy white pipe here. I got that section off back there. I'll slide that off. It's already undone, so I get off the rest of the exhaust. See back there. Drop the exhaust. Start working on the trans.
I don't want to cut them out.
The exhaust
Okay.
just got dropped like it was hot.
a bad habit.
You know what I'm saying?
Woo.
Okay.
All right. Now what we got going on? Well, there's so much more room for that.
Yeah, he doesn't even care.
I'm exhausted right now.
Did you just say I'm exhausted? That's not even right.
Someone's in there.
Yeah. The thing that's really nice about this, transmission is bad, but yeah, check out those welds. Super nice. How about over here? Yeah, I know you're jealous. I know you're jealous.
Up here. This universal joint.
Got a wobbly?
Yeah, these bolts aren't real tight, so we should be able to.
Are they like 30, like the transfer
Yeah, they were
case
pretty
ones?
light. Yeah, this is a transfer case. A 15-inch, 15 mil ratcheting wrench. It's hanging down the wall.
He has that?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Although I'll probably have them out by hand. Maybe it's stiffened up.
I hate that. Yeah, we're separated. We have separation.
Now go down.
All right.
Let's see if it separates. Yeah. It might, it might be on those dowels pretty good.
Going down, going
Got the final bolt.
down, going down, going down.
It should be. I think the pan's resting on the.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to
Across
stop
the
and I'm waiting for it to cantilever. All right, oh, that's it. It's loose. Go back up a little bit. I was using that to
Yeah.
pop it loose, so that works pretty good actually.
Going up.
Alright, so now we need to get everything out from underneath here because it's gonna fall out. So it is ready to fall out. Oh, you know what? I want to throw straps around it. Let's throw straps around it. Try to get a strap through here.
It's very close.
It's loose. If you move the wrong way, it'll fall out.
It'll literally fall out on the floor. Literally fall on the floor.
Literally.
We're lively.
We're live right now. Go ahead.
Hang on.
Let's see what you got. Do you need me to hold the...
I need Kevin to push back.
Push.
It's already off. It's already out.
It's literally easy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Your transfer case on my head.
Do you want me to hold that up?
No, yeah, totally got it. Just lower it down. I think we're clear, man.
Nice, well.
Today, Junior.
It's lowering.
Watch for anything. Does anybody hear anything ripping and tearing? That is normal.
That's totally okay.
Oh, this transfer case is making me nervous.
Wow.
Now it wants to come out.
That sounded like you saw that mouse again.
All right, stop. All right, pull back for a second. Let me get this thing because it wants to. Now it wants its freedom.
Do you?
If we don't get this trans back in this truck,
In 22 seconds.
we're losing the farm.
Look at that. It's out. Now we got to take that out, get it out of the way, and put that in there. It's all good. Now we're going to flush the cooler out. Got our jump box. Got some fluid. Got a Holly blue pump. Is that a blue pump?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
So when we get going, it should come into that canister.
We're ready again.
Ready?
Yep. Sounds better. Sounds like loading up.
There we go.
Oh, we're getting fluid.
Yeah.
We want to fill this about half full.
Yeah, you can see the color.
Black. I think it's coming out cleaner. You want to look at it? That doesn't look too bad, does it?
Yeah, that's looking pretty clean now.
You want to call it there?
Alright.
Yeah. Looks nice and red.
Yep.
Cool.
Boom.
That was a lot of setup.
That's how you get
Ready?
bikes from bits. It takes 8 bikes to make it fit.
You good?
Yep.
Oh, I spilled just like
Oh
fry.
man.
Just like
come
fry
on. Gee,
burger.
when you're on camera.
Just like fry burger.
That's it.
No funnel.
Go.
Go.
We're on. Camera's rolling.
Waiting on me.
Get your hands right around that.
Oh, I know. Right in the pinch zone.
Yeah.
Ooh, popped in there.
What?
Look at that.
That didn't happen.
Like a glove.
And that was the first take.
Like a glove.
We're not lying here. Good. Put that fire.
It's our pan saver.
Deep dish.
Yeah, deep dish pan saver.
It is a deep dish.
Yeah.
With the new transmission in place, we reconnected the transfer case, the transmission mounts, the drive shaft, and the exhaust. Then made final checks before startup. All right, gear check. Will it go in gear? Reverse probably, because that was the important one. Yay, we have reverse. Put the brake on. Okay, you want to go down, forward? Look, it doesn't have all the neutrals that it had. All right, woo! Woo-hoo. All right, Ben, we had a problem with the new transmission that we put in the truck. What the heck was the problem?
Well, you first ran the transmission, shifted through all the gears just fine, but then some fluid started backing back out of the dipstick, and that's not fine. And turns out when you add fluid to a closed container, you're displacing air, and it's got to go somewhere.
Yes.
And transmissions do have vent tubes, normally. However, our new reman, it was not working precisely, so which we found out after it was installed.
Yeah, because that's when you find out, right? And where is the vent tube located?
In the most difficult to reach location possible.
Of course.
Once installed, it is on top of the transmission. So we're going to demonstrate our vent catheter tool.
Yes, she's got the rotor tool. This is
Yeah,
awesome.
So as you can see, this is the old transmission, and it does not have bugs living inside the vent tube. And this is, I believe it just goes to the interior of the case. So if you were to blow in this tube, you will have air come out of the dipstick tube, which is plugged right now, but
So this tool was necessary so that you could reach up and over, around everything else that was in the way after installing the transmission to get to this little vent right here that was clogged, and let's see what it does.
well, literally my arm was just the right size to fit up here so I can hold the tube while I'm laying on one shoulder with this back on my chest so I can spin the catheter into the
Genius.
into the tube to fish it out. And it was a little tough going at first, but just like you're imagining, you jam it hard enough.
Yeah.
We got in there and cleared it out. Then we applied air to the vent tube, and instantly I got rained on with a bunch of junk coming out of there. So not even sure what it was. It was either bugs or rust.
Yeah.
So, but
So even though that was a rebuilt transmission or a remanufactured transmission, the vent was clogged. There was something in there, but he's the guy.
yeah,
New
so-
tool, figured it out.
Yeah, always check your vent tube.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, we learned that the hard ways.
Yeah, and don't try to check it after you install it. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, the truck is back in action. Huge thanks to Brian and Ben and all the guys at the car farm for helping out. We were able to get the old transmission out and the new one in, and as you guys saw, use a super cool tool to fix a problem that didn't arise, obviously, until after we put the transmission in. The vent tube was clogged, which seemed odd because this was a rebuilt transmission, but using the super cool tool, wow, they were able to fix that and get the vent working so it wasn't blowing all the fluid out. Now it's back on the road and I'm got a long way home. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff. I'll keep testing and driving.